Introducing Keystone's XFit traditional wall packs. Now one SKU covers many applications, thanks to Color Select technology that allows you to switch from 3K to 4K to 5K, and a built-in dusk-to-dawn photocell that can easily be switched on and off. XFit traditional wall packs are available in 35, 55, 80, and 120 watts with a classic bronze housing, and replace 150 to 400 watt metal halide fixtures. All XFit wall packs are built with an internal, trusted Keystone driver, heavy-duty die-cast aluminum housings that are IP65 rated to withstand the elements, and a specially formulated borosilicate glass lens that is impact-resistant and prevents discoloration over time. Our wall packs are designed with 5 knockout access points and captive screws included. Check out Keystone's entire line of outdoor fixtures today.
Keystone Technologies. Light made easy.